Hi, everyone. I wanted to share a quick tip with you today um, about how you can select and match colors in your game as part of your game development process. All right, so I mentioned previously that in working on my game, I wanted to choose a cohesive color palette for my Don't Take the Cakes game to make it look better and more polished because when I did the game for the jam, as I talked about, a lot of the colors and assets were kind of cobbled together. So I wanted to kind of fix that. I also talked about how, in order to do that, I needed to create some additional visual assets with the right colors. And yesterday I was really working on fixing the message box backgrounds. So let me show you what I worked on. Let me just pull up my GDevelop window. Okay, right. So you can see here, so the spacing's not quite fixed yet, but I have a brown background or a tan background with like a brown edge, right? And you can see that it kind of matches with some of the other assets that I got from Game Art Guppy. So let me show you those assets again. Okay, so like the bunny archer has a lot of brown, and then the patches on the ground next to it are like a lighter tan or lighter brown, which go well with that teal. Okay, so I wanted the message box to kind of match that color scheme, all right, that brown and tan. So here's what I did. If you ever want to get the color for a particular part of an image, you can do this trick in the Firefox browser. All right, so if you've got an image open in your Firefox browser, go to your developer tools. So you can do that by right clicking and then go to inspect. All right, and you'll see this eyedropper um, icon. And if you hover over it, it says something like grab a color from the page. So if you click on that, all right, you click on that and you'll see this circle pop up, right? And it moves with your mouse and it allows you to magnify a particular part of the screen, right? So what you do, move it over the part of the screen you want to get the color for and click on it, all right? And you should see like a little note that said copied and then it'll disappear. And what that did is that copied the color code for the part of the screen that you're looking at, okay? So now let me go back to my uh, GDevelop here. If I go back to GDevelop, okay, I'll share that again. If I want to, I can go to my message background. I'll edit it, and you can do this in whatever art program you're using or whatever tool you're using. And then you choose the whatever paint color, and you just put in, you paste whatever that color code is. Okay. And then you can go ahead and paint. All right. So I'll just do like you can see it's like the same color, right? Um, so that's the color that I used. Okay. So a real easy way to get the color that you want from an image that you have. All right. So that was what I did in the Firefox browser if you're looking at an image online. I don't know, Chrome browser might have it. I don't know about Microsoft Edge or some of the other browsers, but definitely Firefox has it. And if you have an image stored on your computer that you want to use instead of an online image, like something in a browser, you have two ways you can do it. You can open an online image editor in your Firefox browser. So you can just um, you know, go to like a search and find an online image editor online, upload your image or copy your image, and then use Firefox again to get your image code, or as an alternative, if you're using Microsoft Paint or something like that. So, like if I open MS Paint, for instance, or paint.net, let me share my Microsoft Paint, change my share. Then usually they also have a color picker tool, right? So, like in Paint, it's here, tools where it says color picker. And, if I just go ahead and maybe do like a couple of different um, images, you can see, uh, if I fill this with something, you can see now I can go to color picker, the tools, it'll pick this orange and it'll automatically fill the bucket. And then you could just use that color. Okay. All right. So that is a really quick tip to help you if you ever have a situation where you need to copy colors with an image that you already have. I hope that helps, and continue to stay tuned because I'll continue to work on this game and share my tips with you. All right. Thanks.